Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to take this plaque that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to start by painting just the center with some white paint. I had to get a bigger brush because that one just wasn't cutting it. So I'm going to paint that, and then around the edges where the bevel is and towards the back, I painted it it's like a light yellow color. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's just like a pale yellow. And I did all the way around the whole edges, and I tried not to get any on the white. When I did, I just repainted over the white. So once I had that all painted, I'm going to add a coat of Mod Podge just on the white area, and then I'm going to let that fully dry. And this is just a nice, thin, even coat. Once that was dry, I'm going to take this napkin I got from my napkin bundles, and it's just a bunny, and this one has like a gold leafing on it. I'm going to line that up in the center of the white part here. And then I am going to take a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to lay that down, and then I'm going to use my iron to iron that on. And I got a lot of questions about where I got my iron. It's just a travel-sized iron from Walmart. So once I have that all ironed on there and it's fully adhered, I'm going to take my sanding block and I'm going to sand off the excess. So I'm just going around each edge and just kind of pulling off the excess napkin. Trying not to mess with the other designs on there so I can use the napkin for other projects, because you can get like 4 projects out of each one of these napkins. So again, just final touch on the sanding. And then I am going to take my drill and I am going to drill 2 holes in the very top. Now, you can do this part, or you could put a hanger on the back. I wanted it to hang with a hanger that was kind of along the longer side, so I'm just going to drill these 2 holes. And then I am going to push some twine through the holes, and then I'm going to tie them off in a knot in the front. So I'm just pulling it through, and then I'm just going to tie it off in a knot. I think I did 2 knots on each side. And then I'm going to figure out how long I want it before I put it through the other side. So once I put it through, and then kind of figure out how long I want it, and then tie that side off. Once I had them both tied off, I'm going to cut off the excess of the twine. And that is it. This project is finished, and I think it turned out so cute, and I love the yellow color. It's perfect for spring and Easter. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.